Have you ever heard about the Panda algorithm update? If not, don't worry, we're about to unravel this mystery. The Panda algorithm update is a significant change in Google's search results ranking algorithm that was first released in February 2011. The main purpose of this update was to keep sites with poor quality content away from the top of Google's search results. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly constitutes poor quality content? Well, it's content that is shallow or lacks in-depth information, contains grammatical and spelling errors, or is duplicated from other websites. The Panda algorithm update was designed to penalize such websites, pushing them down in the search engine rankings. So, how does Panda affect search engine optimization or SEO? Well, it's simple. If your site has low-quality content, it's likely to get hit by the Panda update. This could lead to a significant drop in organic traffic, which in turn can impact your website's overall performance. But fear not, there's always a way to recover from a Panda hit. The first step is to identify and remove any low-quality content from your site. Replace it with unique, high-quality content that provides value to your readers. Make sure your content is free from spelling and grammatical errors and provides in-depth information about the topic at hand. Another way to recover is by avoiding keyword stuffing. While keywords are important for SEO, overusing them can make your content look spammy, and Panda doesn't like that. Instead, focus on creating content that is relevant and useful to your readers. Also, ensure that your website has a good user interface. A site that is easy to navigate and provides a positive user experience is less likely to be affected by Panda. So what have we learned today? The Panda algorithm update is a change in Google's search results ranking algorithm that penalizes low-quality content. It affects SEO by pushing down sites with poor content in the search engine rankings. To recover from a Panda hit, you need to remove low-quality content, avoid keyword stuffing, and ensure a good user interface. Remember, the key to successful SEO is high-quality content. So, focus on providing value to your readers, and you'll be able to stay ahead of the game. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, keep optimizing.